The focus of this code is working code. If you want a full explanation, you're gonna have to go here, my friend. Let's go! So, first of all, the artGirl_tick function, we've just added this little stamp here to explain what we are doing here. Down here, we have made a shorthand reference to the array buffer. We are inside of the artGirl_ini function. Let's go down here. Oh, look, we're using that shorthand reference. Awesome. Here's the buffer data function that we called incorrectly. We fixed it right here on line 1329. JavaScript is weird, it lets you get away with shit, it doesn't complain, and fucks up your day. We need these function pointers, which we need to bind, otherwise these will not work. Weird part of JavaScript town. These are some pre-calculations we are going to need. This is the stride in bytes between each element. This is the offset to the first positional data. This is the offset to the first texture coordinate data. This is where that information can be found in the slots in the shader. Here is some error checking information. Here is where we begin taking our snapshot with our vertex array object. Here is where we unload everything so we don't accidentally change it later after we have meticulously configured it. We want to enable both the positional and texture information on the GPU side, and then we want to tell the GPU where to find that shit. I'm not going to explain, I don't have enough time! Okay, so there is some error checking code. We just want to make sure that these variables in the shader are where we think they are. And that is it, my friends. That is it. We have some notes here. Pause here to find out why I lied to you in the last tutorial. And pause here to see why I lied to you in the last tutorial again. And that is it. If you want to see the slower tutorials, you can go here. This is just to give you a working code that you can work off of. All right, later.